Sticking with Apple for a second, Microsoft says that if Apple isn't stopped now, its antitrust behavior will just get worse. This comes from Microsoft, who they've had their own history of antitrust accusations. I feel like they were found guilty of such things in the past. I think they may have even paid fines or something. Well,
sure.
Microsoft has filed an amicus brief supporting Epic Games. Microsoft goes with Epic in its appeal against Apple and argues that the potential antitrust issues stretch far beyond gaming. Ooh, they're piling on. This is kind of like the Joe Rogan thing, except instead of Neil Young, it's Microsoft.
Yeah.
They're like, yeah, you get out of there, Apple. Let Epic do what they want. As Epic continues to file its appeal against the 2021 ruling that chiefly favored Apple, interested parties have been contributing supporting filings to the court. Notably, those have included U.S. Attorney General, but now Microsoft has joined in on the side of Epic Games. So they were once the antitrust accused, and now they are the accusers of such antitrust. They say, see, we know better than anybody because we've been there, because we know how to antitrust.
Learn from the greats, I guess.
Yeah. We previously were, anyway.
Yeah.
Oh, go back up right there. Describing what it calls Apple's extraordinary gatekeeper power. Microsoft joins Epic Games. Gatekeeper power, well, because of the App Store. That's what it's all about, ultimately. And I think, okay, let's go into full-blown prediction, maybe not conspiracy theory, but remember when we were looking at Samsung's invitation for the upcoming S22 event that they're going to be hosting, and they used the term epic in the one line, in the tagline.
Subliminal.
So what if, as another shot at Apple, they make this big announcement about some sort of collaboration with Epic, some sort of approval of Epic, seeing as how you could still get their games on Samsung's own store, as I mentioned to you previously, and you could kind of bypass the giants that are Apple and Google for payments. What if that also leads to their contribution to this particular appeal? And much like Microsoft, they write their own letter and say, yeah, we agree. Apple's behaving badly. We'll have to wait and see, of course, but that event is happening relatively soon. Can you give me a reminder? What is that? February what? Are we doing the Samsung thing?
Monday?
Is it that soon?
I think.
It's coming up. I'll tell you that.
Or wait, am I getting confused as to that's when the phones are arriving?
Easy, Jack. You're spilling the.
Sorry.
You're spilling the. Will signed embargoes here, man.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we're dead.
February 10th at 0 a.m. KST.
So
I don't know. Maybe Will, do you want to go live on this channel
We could.
during that event?
next Thursday.
Next Thursday, join us here for a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see what Samsung's tagline and Epic reference was all about.
And then follow it up with the unboxing video right after.
That's Jack right there. Don't you forget
Where's my
it.
camera?
That's Jack. Yeah, look right into their soul, Jack.
There you go.
Right
bud.
after. Right after.
The unboxing video will be right after.
Right after.
Don't miss it.
Maybe a giveaway, Will?
Ooh, a little hand gesture? There he
Good.
goes.
Yeah, it's possible.
Will's-
Anything's possible here.
Anything is possible in the future.